evening, everybody. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Tuesday. It is June the 18th. We are breaking Gold Rush 16 by 20 NFL photos. It is a 2-box break. Randomed up our 8 remaining boxes in the case. We actually got 1 and 2. We did pick a name, get 2 by a random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names and customers. Alphabetized everybody afterwards. We awarded the Brady spot also. Here we go, folks. Hoping we get back on track in these dang photos for you guys. We're going to be doing the jersey right after this, folks. So send on over for jersey also. All right, here we go. Bam! Whoa! Gonna be an LT. Maybe not a monster, guys, and we have hit him before. But very popular player and a great photo. Very nice sig on it. Beckett Witness hologram for the Lawrence Taylor there, guys. Pretty cool photo. Wow, well, DC, actually, I think that's DC's second one of those. If anybody's interested in that, let me know. I'll pass it on to DC. I'm pretty sure he's got one of those already. I think he hit the first one we ever pulled out of these, to tell you the truth. So, if anybody's interested, either let DC know or let me know and I can pass it on. Alrighty. Oops. Second box and our 2-boxer here. Davante Adams, guys. It's one of the few photos. I'm a Raider fan. Beckett Witness hologram. And I'm not really super fond of this. Some guys seem to like it, but yeah, I go again. I'd rather have him here. This almost looks like a Samuel fucking photo to me. Gonna be Davante Adams on that one, yo. Beckett Witness hologram. That's one of the few I'm not like too super fond of. Again, I like Davante. I just don't like that particular photo. Well, guys, may not have been a great one, but was far from the worst one either. Wow, and D-Gen getting back on track. The last couple nights with the photos. Might not be hitting monsters, D-Gen, but at least you're pulling something there. So that is going to wrap up that one, everybody. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. We're going to go into our jersey break in just 1 second, guys. I'm trying to get these back in the case. Alright. Alright, guys, call out your keeps. Y'all have a good one.